The one thing I miss most about India is the mithai, and Bengali sandesh is one of the absolute favorite. Let's make this rose and orange kachagola that is perfect for spring. We will start by making our fresh chena. Add water to prevent the milk from sticking. Let this come to a simmer. Switch off the heat and slowly pour in vinegar mixed with water till our milk curdle. Pour this in a strainer with a cheesecloth and wash it with some cold water to remove the vinegar. Gently squeeze out the excess water and let this rest for 10 minutes. Now to make our sandesh, we will knead the chena gently using our palm before dividing it into two parts. In a pan, we will add half our chena mixture, sugar and cornstarch. Let this come together and chill in the fridge for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make our spring-inspired filling. For the rose flavor, we will thicken some rose syrup, water, a pinch of salt and using some cornstarch. For the second flavor, I have used some fresh orange juice, but any in-season fruit will work perfect. And now we will mix together our roasted and a regular chena, adding rose water in between. We will shape the sandesh into small balls and roll it into some milk powder or desiccated coconut. It's time to assemble. We will make a small divot in the sandesh and we will fill these up with our thickened rose and orange syrup for a beautiful pop of color and flavor. With Holi around the corner, this is truly the best mithai that is light and refreshing. It comes out perfect even with low-fat milk, and you can use jaggery or monk fruit to make this totally sugar-free. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.